Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video, we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter C. Capital C, little c. What words begin with C? Cave, C-A-V-E. The word cave begins with the letter C. This is where I like to go for peace and quiet. It was dark and damp in the cave. Carton, C-A-R-T-O-N. A container that holds a beverage, such as cream. The carton tipped over. What happened when the carton tipped over? It spilled out cream. Cat, C-A-T. The word cat also begins with the letter C. We have a calico. The cat licked the cream. It was delicious. What sound does the letter C represent? K. Can you say K? Very good. C, the third letter of the English alphabet. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.